Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Alison and I help people like you build businesses and side hustles with marketing, SEO and tech tips. Now today we're diving into a side hustle I personally love and run myself, and that is print on demand. So what exactly is print on demand? It's a business model where you design custom products like t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, phone cases, and sell them online without ever handling the inventory or shipping. When someone orders your product, a third-party company prints it, ships it to your customer, and you earn a profit on each sale. Now, I've been running a print-on-demand business myself for a while now, and it's been a great way to combine creativity with a solid side hustle. Now, why is print-on-demand such a great side hustle? Well, there are three main reasons. The first is low startup costs. You don't need to invest in inventory or worry about shipping. Second is creative freedom. You get to create designs around niches you're passionate about. And number three is flexibility. You can run this business from anywhere and work at your own pace. So if you need to fit it around family commitments or paid employment, you can do that too. For me, it's been an amazing way to turn my creativity into income. And the best part is you can do it too. Okay, so here's a quick breakdown of how to get started with your print-on-demand business. The first thing, and it's super important, is to choose your niche. Now, this is the key to standing out in a crowded market. Don't just go generic. Focus on a specific audience or interest, whether that's cat lovers, fitness enthusiasts, or even bookworms. Something that you connect with as well. That's going to make things so much more easy for you. Now, I've put together a free resource that has 158 ideas for niches you can target, plus some additional tips for getting started with print on demand. Now, stick around to learn how to grab that. Number two, design your products. Now, you don't have to be a designer to get started. I'm certainly not a designer. Use free tools like Canva or hire someone on Fiverr to create unique designs for your products. I would suggest doing the route of doing it yourself. Get started, dive in with Canva, and you'll be amazed what you can learn. Number three, choose a print-on-demand platform. Now, there are several great platforms like Printful, Printify, Redbubble. There's lots of different choices out there. And my additional tips will help you to narrow that down a bit. Now, these platforms integrate with online stores like Etsy, Shopify, or even your own website. Number four, set up your online store. Now, whether you're using Etsy or Shopify, you want your store to look professional and reflect your brand. If you don't have a website and you don't want to commit to Shopify, I would get started on Etsy. That's where I got started, and it's the easiest and lowest cost. And I have some ways to make that slightly even lower cost for you when you download the resource. Make sure your product listings are clear and use high quality mock-ups to showcase your designs. Don't worry if you don't know what mock-ups and all that is yet. You will once you've worked through the resource. Number five, promote your store. Start marketing your store on social media, especially on Instagram and Pinterest, where visuals are key. You can also use SEO strategies to get help to get found in search engines, and we'll talk more about that in future videos. Okay, so here are a few quick tips for success in the print-on-demand business from my own personal experience. The first thing is to focus on quality. High-quality designs and product descriptions help your store stand out. Number two, stay consistent. Keep adding new designs and products to your store to keep it fresh. And number three, customer feedback. Listen to what your customers want and adjust your designs and product offerings based on that feedback. Now, I know that choosing a niche can be one of the hardest parts when starting a print-on-demand business, and that's why I've created a free resource for you with 158 niche ideas to help you get started. And not just that, it also includes extra tips on how to hit the ground running with your store. Just click the link below in the description to download your free guide and start brainstorming. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your side hustle or business. Let me know in the comments what niche you're thinking of starting, and I'll see you in the next video.